Hey, to change straps on the Redmi Watch 5 Active, first of all, let's start by removing strap. So you will have to rotate your watch. Right here you can find this silver button that you will have to actually move into this side with your fingernail. Hold and then put this strap a little bit to the bottom or upward. And as you can see now, it will be removed. And now if you want to put it back, then simply you will have to start from one of the edge. I can recommend you to put this part into the left side first, like that. Take a look. And now, as you can see, we have to move our button with our fingernail, like that. And now just align with this part. And it actually looks the same for this one. So we will have to actually put it like that. Let's start from the left side, the opposite side of this button. There we go. And now just grab the silver button. When it is inside, just move it a little bit down and now release. And as you can see, that's how you can do this. Quite simple, right? So that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching.